Work from home and set your own hours. If you can hold a simple conversation and spare 15 minutes, you can start a legitimate and highly profitable part-time or full-time home business. Even if you hate English, hate math and hate talking to people, in the next few days, you, too, could start a solid, reliable stream of income. When you apply these secrets, you won't find anywhere else. There is a lot of money available in our new economy. Here's how to get more than you share. How everyday people can get rich in the new economy. The craziest times in our history have people losing sleep with fear and worry. But you are about to be shown how you can take advantage of the situation today that can rapidly build and scale into a recurring income lifeline. No matter what your skill level or past history has been, this proven income system is for you. If you're ready to learn how and want to build a future for yourself, you will learn some instant fast cash strategies you can put to work for yourself immediately. You will see the best way to create an income that is residual, meaning you still get paid no matter if you take a holiday or not. Plus see how you can start with what you already have and build something amazing for yourself. This is a freedom-based business. You can be anywhere in the world and it does not matter as long as you have an internet connection. This is a cloud-based business. No rent, no utilities, no employees, no physical products, no personal contact with other people. Learn where and how to get primary trade lines for pennies on the dollar. 400 wholesale sources. How to get your client's name on the trade line as the primary account holder. What you can do with trade lines. 1. Collect the amount due plus interest. 2. Settle for a lower amount for a pay to delete. 3. Sell the debts. 4. Forgive the debt. 5. Assign the debt to a different person. 6. Sell the debt back to the debtor. How to easily get the trade lines on your client's credit report, even if you never have reporting capabilities with the credit bureaus. How to make a monthly cash flow from every trade line you place. What is the 1099-C tax advantage? How to make your income look like you are a millionaire to the banks and credit bureaus computer for zero investment. There is an enormous inventory of primary trade lines just sitting around waiting for someone to come along and take them. These trade lines are located in every state and city in the US. The owners have been holding on to these massive portfolios of trade lines. They would be thrilled to cooperate with you. What better opportunity is there than to find someone who has already put up all the money and has a business entity set up that will do all the work for you? These portfolio owners are desperate because they have millions of trade lines. This is why they need you. This opportunity is huge. Let me explain. These portfolios owners are always looking for a way to increase their bottom line. So they go out and invest millions in trade line inventories on the secondary marketplace, buying them for pennies on the dollar. These investors are holding approximately $300 billion plus worth of trade lines. They make a lot of money off some of them, but about 90% sit around and never make a penny for them. This leaves millions of trade lines at your disposal. An opportunity that will blow the lid off the positive trade line posting service. It involves connecting these rich portfolio owners with people who have low FICO scores and need their credit boosted by having positive trade lines posted to their credit reports. The portfolio's owners need you. The people with bad credit need you. John or Jane bad credit consumer are desperate for better credit scores. Anyone with bad credit cannot get new credit or raise money today. At all. Except now they can. Tradeline brokers who find this program are cashing in big time on these tradeline portfolios. These are private sources of consumer trade lines and the credit lines can be small or large. Tailored to fit your client. Installment or revolving. So who has all these trade lines? Remember those trade line portfolios owners I spoke of earlier? The big cats with tons of money to invest. They would love to squeeze even more money out of their investments. They usually only make a profit on a very small percentage, 6 to 8%, of their inventory. Then let the rest of the trade lines sit around making nothing. They would be thrilled if someone, you, helped them make more profit. Let's go back to the money. It does no good for the portfolio's owners if do not know what to do with the rest of their trade lines. But wait. There will be someone that knows how to convert the trade lines into cash. These trade lines will become a massive cash flow source for you. In fact, this is fantastic news for you because you will not have to invest a single penny of your own money buying a trade line. You will not have to do any of the paperwork. You will not have to post the trade lines. Many consumers are suffering low credit scores and have other problems, personal problems, that have destroyed their FICO scores. They lost equity on their homes and their credit scores are in the dump. Many consumers desperately need to raise their credit scores. They have poor credit and are financially strapped. Many have gone through a foreclosure or a short sale on their home or a repo of their car. Is there help for these consumers? Yes. I'll show you exactly how to perform this service. Funding is determined only by the consumer's credit score, no collateral, and not by personal assets. When you learn this method and use the sources we provide you, you will be on your way to earning a fantastic income helping people boost their credit scores and getting them approved for credit, auto and home loans. Become a broker, Tradeline reseller, increase credit scores, make big money. If you're an online retailer, auto broker, mortgage broker, credit agency, anyone looking to boost credit scores for profit, and you know you need primary Tradelines to help you complete this task, this e-course will provide you access to over 400 Tradeline wholesaler sources, the knowledge and methods to do this. As a provider of primary Tradelines, you can earn an excellent income stream. Start your very own online business and enjoy a hot niche market that will enable both growth and stability. If your goal is to make a substantial income with no physical work, this is for you. Below is a letter we received from one of our clients after taking our course. We are a licensed, bonded, and insured debt buyer and third-party agency in the accounts receivables industry. After taking your course, and as a for-profit entity, we realized the need for our services in the credit repair industry. We own all of the Tradelines we make available, and as such the line will never fall off of a report until the 7-year mark. Legal reporting in client's name and address at affordable prices. We are going to initially offer the following account types at rock-bottom prices to your associates. We also have commercial debt with personal guarantees up to $500K, mortgages up to $3M, and commercial loans, credit cards that will report to business credit. All from top national providers. Sounds too good to be legal. Even your banker does not know about this. Amazing as it sounds, there is a way to legally crack the safe at banks and financial institutions across the country. Hack the credit bureau's computer systems to get high FICO credit scores. This is not anything illegal. It's just a very brilliant way to use the system, their system, to your advantage. I'll teach you how to push the right buttons right on your computer and force their computerized safeguard system to literally crumble and make them grant your wishes. Amazing credit score boosting techniques. Empowers you with dynamite and dangerous information on how to put the screws to the banks and credit bureaus that have been putting the screws to you for years. Completely reversing the process on them. You'll quickly learn to use their computer systems against them. In today's tight money and credit crunch, as the little guy experiences, you'll learn that what the banks want is nothing but computer readouts. Give them the readouts they want to see and they will give you the paper you want, credit, loans, etc. And I'll show you how to give them the exact computer info they want. And it doesn't matter what problems have kept you back before. Everything today is done by computer algorithms. Computers don't think, they just compute outputs depending on what input info is available to them. We'll show you how to preset this input so you can obtain the desired output. Of necessity, I must caution you. The information revealed in amazing credit boosting techniques is legal if used properly. I do not advocate nor condone the misuse of these powerful methods to defraud or misrepresent your financial condition. In fact, in a few cases you may want to seek legal counsel before using some of these techniques. I accept no responsibility for the misuse of this ultra-confidential financial information. For you, it's a chance to be on the inside for once. Instead of waiting until the other guys have already gotten ahead of you. You have never seen or experienced a training at this level before. There are things included that I dare not speak of in this letter. Yes, now you can arm yourself with the advanced knowledge I have painstakingly prepared for you to get high credit scores, loans, credit and credit cards without any credit investigation. Secrets that go far beyond anything you've ever learned about any serious borrowing. Secrets that can give you the confidence to face any borrowing situation knowing you have the best shot on the planet for winning. In amazing credit boosting techniques that sound too good to be legal, I go way beyond what I have taught my clients in the past, revealing credit and borrowing secrets that, until now, you could have only found by paying me thousands of dollars for personal instruction. I have to admit something. Parts of this program, especially the second section, reveal secrets so brutally effective to get you loans that I considered censoring them out of this training. But due to recent developments in the financial markets, I didn't. That would have been unfair to my clients. You deserve to see this stuff, to learn it, to take you from where you are now to the glittering peaks of borrowing power. I don't believe you should be held down by having vital tools withheld that can help you succeed in any financial situation. So you see, no matter how you look at it, you come out like a bandit. You can't find amazing credit boosting techniques that sound too good to be legal. At any price in any store. Nor can you find anything even remotely close anywhere. This is a one-of-a-kind program. And you should be glad to know that I've got a special package set aside just for you. You really truly want to have this information. How do Tradelines work and how can I make big money providing this service? The simple answer is below. One of the most asked questions is, how do I post Tradelines? The first thing you must know is that all these Tradelines are already posted. 2. The second thing is you buy the Tradeline. When you buy a Tradeline you are obtaining all the rights of the original creditor. 3. This means you can resell it, forgive the debt, collect the debt or reassign it to a new account holder. 4. Reassigning the debt is accomplished with a subrogation contract. Subrogation is the substitution of one person or group by another in respect of a debt or insurance claim, accompanied by the transfer of any associated rights and duties. Understand that you can take advantage of it, regardless of your circumstances. How to make a portfolio offer and finance it. How to get 100% financing to acquire loans. How to find the bank that will finance you. Essential ingredients for securing your loan proposal principles. Non-bank financing sources. How to dispose of your portfolio. Don't throw away, recycle.